The address in Montclair is still good? Yes or no?
I don't answer questions.
But you need to identify yourself.
I give you my driver's license. I give you all my information. I don't have to answer anything to you, madam.
Yes,
That's my democratic right. I don't have to answer anything to you.
You did an infraction, your license is broken, and you need me to give me your address.
I give you my driver's license and my
It's
insurance.
good.
Okay? I don't answer questions.
Oh my God, sir. That's so tough dealing with you right now.
Fair. Do you mind just giving me your name so I can check to make sure that you don't have any warrants or anything crazy like that?
Just Jacob.
Okay. Well, I'm going to need your full name. Anytime I have contact with someone, I have to identify them.
I'm not going to identify myself. I keep that information pretty private, so.
The issue with that is I'm conducting an investigation regarding a complaint right now. Okay?
Yep.
So if you refuse to identify yourself, then I may have to take you into custody.
Sir, do you have permission to search my car?
I'm not searching your car. I saw it in plain view. What is this?
Do you have a warrant to search my car, sir?
I saw it in plain view. I don't need a warrant.
On October 12, 2025, Kenrick McRae was pulled over by two police officers for a so-called broken brake light. Before he could even respond, the female officer leaned into his window, peering inside and questioning him about the items in his car. When Kenrick calmly said that any search must be done in his presence because he didn't trust the officers, she coldly replied, "I don't care. If you support the driver, drop a 5 in the comments."
And you just keep opening my stuff.
It looks like drugs, right?
It look like drugs.
Yeah,
So every black guy that drives a car has drugs.
No one mentioned the race except for you.
Well, yes, because that's all you guys do. Keep harassing black people on the street, right?
You have your papers I asked for?
I give you all you want, man.
Like 5 times already.
I give you all you want.
You can take him up from me. I'm not going to take that. You're going to say I stole something from you.
Stole something? So that's what? You take something from my possession without a warrant. Okay? Okay, it's in plain view. So what else you want to take from my car? That's in plain view.
Well, everything seems legal, so I don't want to take anything.
Okay.
That seems
so
illegal.
that's illegal. Okay.
I don't know. I want to see what it's inside.
Okay, keep searching. Keep searching.
Can you give me the paper?
You guys keep searching.
I asked you like 5 times.
I give it to you.
I said take it out of the paper. You're going to say I stole thing from you.
Talking a set of stupidness.
Take it out.
Always harassing me. Yo, madam, you gotta stay here because you're not gonna put anything in it, you know.
Sit down.
You're not gonna put anything in it and bring it back to you, you know. You gotta search it right here.
No one's gonna put anything in anything.
I don't trust you guys, man. Look.
I don't care if you don't trust
me. Good. So I don't care too.
Okay.
If you don't care, why should I care?
Sit down. You're making me nervous.
I make you nervous. You guys come take something out of my car, and I can't see what you guys doing. Huh? I gotta see what you guys doing. You guys searching something without a warrant.
Get out the road. Get out the
you
road.
understand? I don't trust you guys.
I don't care. I don't care that you don't trust me.
So if you don't care, why should I care?
Because I'm a police officer and you're an interception. I'm telling you to please aim.
But my brake lights is out.
Yeah, I showed you.
No brake lights is out, bro. Let me see the brake lights is out.
I just showed you.
You can't show me and my car is stopped. Huh?
You just put the handbrake on.
Okay,
it wasn't working.
Good. I put on my handbrakes and she isn't working.
Well, that's what you did. No? What did you do? You pressed on the brakes and you went and looked, you see the car, they have a light, you don't.
Okay.
You understand completely, sir. I don't know why you keep arguing.
Yeah, because you take something on my vehicle without a warrant, without a permission. I didn't give you permission to search my vehicle. You just take something out of my vehicle, telling me it look like drugs. Hmm? Okay, keep harassing me, bro. You guys keep harassing me.
Okay. You want to have a seat? Because right now you're in the road. Or at least go on the sidewalk.
But so what you did? You destroyed my stuff.
No, we just. So right now, okay, you've been like detained while we're able.
You're detaining me. Okay, what's the probable cause for you detaining me? What's the? Okay, you're arresting me now. Okay, arrest. So why you reading the rights?
Because you're detained for investigation because it looks like drugs.
It looks like drugs.
Yes, it looks. It looks like the things that prisoner put in.
Okay, I'm glad I'm getting you guys everything.
Yeah.
Okay, keep going. It looked like drugs. 2 years ago, y'all stopped me for light. Now you stop me for brake light again. No, okay. Keep going, my friend. I like you. I like when you guys keep harassing me. I love when you guys keep harassing me.
So it's your car.
I don't answer questions, okay?
Okay. The address on Montclair is still good? You need to tell me that. The address in Montclair is still good? Yes or no?
I don't answer questions.
But you need to identify yourself.
I give you my driver's license. I give you all my information. I don't have to answer anything to you, madam. That's my democratic right. I don't have to answer anything to you.
You did an infraction. Your license is broken. I need you need me to give me your address.
I give you my driver's license and my insurance. Okay? I don't answer questions.
Oh my goodness. That's so tough dealing with you right now. It's so simple. You just made an infraction. Your license is broken.
I give you my driver's license and my insurance.
On it is still good? Yes? Perfect.
You guys keep harassing me for the rest of my life. I know.
For your rest of your life? It's the first time that I'm seeing you. I never see you before. So I don't know why you think we're arresting you. I love your glasses.
How long you guys follow me? You follow me from since 1, 2, 3, 4 lights ago.
We had a call, sir, for a broken car. But I will not explain that to you because I know that I did anything wrong.
Why are you lying? Why are you lying? You have a call for a broken car?
Yeah.
This car is broken?
No, not your car. Another car was broken and was entering the circulation. But I will not explain that to you because I don't need to.
No, but what I'm saying, right? What I'm saying, you guys follow me from 4 lights up.
Okay.
Right? You didn't stop me for a brake light. You see I'm turning to go into this entrance, then you guys stop me.
Okay.
Right? So why 3 lights ago you didn't stop me? 2 lights ago you didn't stop me.
You don't want to talk? I don't want to talk to you.
Okay.
Okay.
No, I don't have to answer you guys' questions.
No, me too.
Record them, always harassing me, man. Record them, always harassing me. Always. Always harassing me for what? Tell me about a broken light. Where's the broken light? This is the light that you say broken? Where's the light here if it's broken? There's no light here, no light there. Okay? I'm going to show you. There's no light there. Where is the light? Show me where the light is. Where is the light that is broken here? Okay, I just need to have, this is how I bought the car. This is how I bought the car. Okay? You guys, you guys are telling me this is where the light is broken? No, I'm going in the car, going back in my car.
No. It's okay, go on the sidewalk.
You see? You know you're wrong now. No, you know what you're doing. Yeah? You know you're wrong.
Be careful,
there's no light there.
Be careful, there is a light.
That's how I bought a car from Mercedes-Benz. Yeah. Yo. Yeah? Listen to me. There's no light there. That's how I bought a car from Mercedes-Benz.
Want me to explain the ticket?
Yo, explain the ticket to me.
All right.
Right?
You're recording?
Yeah, I'm recording everything. Because this is how I win you guys in court.
You will listen?
I don't listen. Just give me the ticket. Let me go.
No.
You told me at the top there.
Yeah, but you want to listen.
No, I'm not listening. Just give me my ticket. Just give me the ticket. Just give me the ticket. Just give me the ticket, please.
Brake light in the middle.
Okay, good. Thank you very much. So what am I supposed to do? I supposed to make the car? I bought a car like that from Mercedes-Benz. What am I supposed to do?
You need to come.
Okay, all right, good. Just give me my ticket. Have a nice day. I see you guys in court, bro. I see all you guys in court, all right? I see you guys in court. I see you guys in court, man. It's okay. I see you guys in court.
The moment the officer leaned into the vehicle, the stop crossed legal boundaries. The plain view rule doesn't apply when the officer creates the angle to look inside. Without consent or reasonable cause, any such search is unlawful. This case proves how even a minor brake light issue can expose serious flaws in power accountability.
What was the crime? I'm sorry. I'm just
It's not a crime. Okay?
Well, what do you need my ID for then?
It's not a crime because we don't know.
On July 21st, 2025, a man known as San Diego Driver stopped near Westa Road in Eastlake to take some photos when police suddenly approached him, suspecting drug activity and demanding his ID.
You're out here parked, and one of the things that we do out here is if we have a vehicle that's parked, and you know, it's a little odd just to be parked not doing anything. So
Not
we like
really.
to identify the people who are out here.
Sorry. I want to
I didn't ask you to come outside the car.
What?
I didn't ask you to come
I know,
outside
but I
the
want
car.
to get out.
I didn't ask you to step outside the car. Okay?
All right, what do you want?
We have to kind of go about this the right way. You just can't jump out of cars when you're on a police car.
Yeah, I literally just parked here about a minute ago, and I
Okay.
can even show you on my dash cam.
Okay, well, we need to see your ID so we can identify you.
I'm not giving my ID, dude.
You're not going to give us your ID?
No.
Really?
Yeah, because unless I committed a crime or something, then
No,
I'll
that's
give my
not
ID.
how that works, man.
Yeah, because
Look where you're parked right now. Are you allowed
Got
to be
it.
parked here?
I don't see the sign.
So what you're doing, so let me just want to make sure I have this down correctly.
Yeah.
Okay, and you can record me all day. I'm recording you too. You're refusing.
I'm not refusing.
Well, when we ask you,
If you committed a crime, then
no.
I give my ID.
No, that's not how it works there. When we ask you, to identify yourself so we know who you are, because that's one of our jobs out here that we're doing. And then when you refuse, well, what is that? What is that?
That's only refusing if I'm refusing if there was a crime committed or something. I'm not gonna have my rights violated, dude.
Your rights aren't. We're not violating your rights.
Can I see your ID? Can I see your?
You see everything I have.
Okay, you can see everything I have too.
No, I don't. I don't know who you are.
I just told you who I am.
My name is Rodriguez.
Well, my name is
It's posted
Olugo.
right here. It's posted right here. You're not. You can see my
I'm not
badge.
doing nothing wrong,
You
dude.
can see everything.
I literally just pulled up, parked, but I take some photos.
Also, another reason why we stop people here because it's a narcotic area where a lot of people they stop, drugs are passed, drugs are given.
Yeah,
a
don't do
lot
none of that
of things
stuff.
go down like that.
I'm
here in
literally
this
about to
area.
go into the military too.
That's why when we ask you, who you are, we eliminate these things very, very simply. So so what you're telling me, you're refusing to give us.
I'm not
your name.
refusing unless there was a crime committed.
Okay. So you said your name is what?
Miguel.
Miguel what?
I'm not giving you my last name, dude.
Okay.
I'm not about to
Let's,
violate my rights. So I'm getting my plates ran. No crime committed or anything. I run into Border Patrol every day here. Never had an issue.
I'm not Border Patrol.
Yeah, but I'm just letting you know. They're law enforcement as well. They're federal.
With the police.
They're federal.
We're not Border Patrol.
I'm not saying you're Border
You're
Patrol.
refusing to identify yourself, dude. That's a problem.
No, I'm not.
Oh, it is.
No, it's not. Unless you committed a crime, then it's refusing. What crime did I commit? I'll give you my ID. You just gotta tell me a crime.
Commit a crime.
What's the crime?
You did not commit a crime.
Okay, then I don't have to give you my ID.
When you're stopped by law enforcement,
I didn't get stopped.
we're stopping you right now.
You're stopping me now from doing what I'm doing, but it's not a
Stopping
crime.
you right now.
It's not a crime, though.
That's what we're doing. Okay. The thing called reasonable suspicion. Have you heard of that?
What's the suspicion then?
Have you heard of that?
What's the suspicion?
You're parked here, just parked, doing nothing.
What's suspicious about it? It's not illegal.
Well, it's not an area just to stop at either.
A lot of people stop here and go hike, run, and everything. I just got out the gym, came here, parked, ready to start taking some photos.
To identify yourself. That's the other problem.
Okay, you're refusing to identify yourself, but now you're telling me it's suspicious, but suspicious is not a crime still.
Suspicious circumstances, dude.
It's not a crime though.
Fun. And the operation that we're doing, just so you know, is called Stone Guard. You ever heard of that?
No.
Okay, well, Stone Guard means that that's what we do. People stop on the side of the road, not doing anything. You're saying you're taking pictures, but yet I don't see you taking
I
pictures.
literally just parked.
Okay. You know, I hear what you're telling me.
I've been. What's up? Yeah, I just bought a house there. Literally about 3 months ago.
You're trying to challenge me.
I'm not challenging, dude.
That's okay. Okay, I see that. But it's very simple when, you either probably don't.
I just
don't
won't
know
give you
what
my ID because I already been harassed by Coronado police when I pull up to just take
How are
photos.
you harassing me?
I'm not saying you're harassing me. I'm just saying I've been harassed.
Okay. I can't speak for them.
You can't speak for them. Can't speak
I
for
can't
others.
Speak for
It
Coronado.
just
I can only speak for me.
okay. This is just me. I won't give up my ID.
Just like you can only speak for you. We already know who you are, and that's fine. things can be very much more simpler.
Yeah, it would have been simple, but
it's very
I've been.
simple. Hey, look, this is who I am. Okay, hey, no problem, dude.
That's why I
On
shook your
way.
hand, told you
And
who
you're-
I
you know,
was.
you're going. Shaking hands don't mean anything.
Yeah, I don't go and meet a random girl on the street and tell her, "Here's my ID. Here, this is who I am.
This
who
isn't
are
a
you?"
dating experience, buddy. That's okay. We're not talking about meeting a girl.
Okay, then I'm not gonna give you my ID.
This is
That's
more
the
of a
thing.
law enforcement thing. But we already know who you are. All right.
That's cool.
And,
where's your guys'
you're
apartment?
ready
Is
to
it the
go?
one all the way on 3rd?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
315 4.
All right, I'm gonna head down there actually and make a complaint. You too, man.
This incident shows that even in simple, everyday situations, your civil rights can still be tested. The difference lies in whether you know the law and can stay calm to protect yourself. San Diego driver did the right thing by asking for a lawful reason and recording the entire encounter. What do you think? Should he file an official complaint about this incident? Share your thoughts in the comments below.
So it's a security risk for you to be filming the bank and our customers. So I'm going to ask that you stop filming our customers in the drive up and our bank, okay?
I'm not gonna stop.
Jacob
filming,
was filming
so-
from a public sidewalk outside a bank when an employee accused him of recording customers and threatened to call the police. Moments later,
Alright, sounds
officers
good.
arrived, leading to a discussion about the right to film in public and a demand for ID.
I'm not gonna stop filming. So
Okay.
I mean, not gonna be here too much longer. I mean, I don't know.
Okay. I'll have someone come and talk to you then, okay?
All right, sounds good.
What's your name?
I don't give my name.
Okay.
Well, I guess they called the police. I guess that's who they were gonna have come and talk to me. So. Hello, can I just get your name and badge number so I know who I'm talking to?
Absolutely. Officer Higgins, badge number is 3529.
All right, nice to meet you. I would shake your hand, but
Yeah, looks like you.
yeah.
Rotator cuff or?
Labrum and bicep tendon. So.
I used to work in the medical field, and
Oh yeah.
I would say better you than me, but that would be insensitive. So, how'd you injure it?
Wrestling.
Wrestling? Okay. Where do you wrestle?
I'm not gonna answer those
Okay,
types
okay.
of questions. So.
So, reason I'm out here, I received a complaint from the staff at the bank. Okay.
Yep.
They stated that you were inside the building filming.
No, never inside the building. Nothing like that.
Okay. So yeah, so they said that initially you were outside on the sidewalk like you are right now, which is totally fine.
Yep.
But they said that you had come into the bank onto their property and you were filming into the bank.
No, that seems like a false police report to me. So that's a crime. So I would definitely go investigate that. But yeah no.
And I'll definitely be following up with them as well.
All right.
Okay. So basically, I'm just making sure you're okay, making sure everything's good. They were concerned since you had obviously the sling and everything.
Oh yeah.
They stated or they reported that they commented to you that they advised that you stop filming inside of the building. You told them that you couldn't stop, and that's when you left the building. Does any of that sound familiar?
No, I was actually right here. I put my camera down, and I was about to leave, and then I was turned this way, and then I heard one of them come out, and then like standing right here, and they said that I had to stop filming, and I just told her, yeah, I'm not gonna stop the camera. So, and then she went back in there.
So they came out to you while
Yep.
you were on the sidewalk.
Yep.
Okay. That's fair. Do you mind just giving me your name so I can check to make sure that you don't have any warrants or anything crazy like that?
Just Jacob.
Okay. Well, I'm going to need your full name. Anytime I have contact with someone, I have to identify them.
I'm not gonna identify myself. I keep that information pretty private. So.
The issue with that is I'm conducting an investigation regarding a complaint right now. Okay.
Yep.
So if you refuse to identify yourself, then I may have to take you into custody because you are failing to follow through with identifying yourself.
I mean, unless I've committed a crime, I don't identify myself.
That would be obstruction.
That's a secondary offense. You have to commit a crime
It would
before.
be obstruction if you fail to identify yourself when I'm conducting an investigation regarding you.
I'm gonna challenge you on that one. Do you have a supervisor that?
Absolutely.
All right, can he come out here then? But you should definitely investigate that false police report, because that seems like a big waste of resources to me.
That is absolutely my intention. But you're the person that I had contact with first, so I wanted to get your side of the story before I go in and get their side of the story as well.
Well, you have my side.
Yep, exactly. And that's what I'm attempting to continue and follow up on.
All right.
Okay, so this is my supervisor. This is Officer
All right.
Abbott. Hi.
Badge
do you mind-
number?
We don't have badge numbers. We have employee numbers, 252.
Oh, sounds good.
Okay. So I'm just going to kind of explain what's going on and everything and what you've told me thus
Yep.
far, and then we can go from there. So basically, I advised him of the complaint. He stated that he was never inside the bank, never on their property, only on the sidewalk.
Yep.
He stated that staff came out, had contact with him here. He advised them that he was not going to stop filming. I said, as long as he's not on their property, he's on the sidewalk, that's totally fine.
100%.
No issue with that whatsoever. I asked him to identify himself. He told me that his first name is Jacob. He refuses to identify himself any further.
Okay.
I told him that I am right here, right now, conducting an investigation regarding a complaint that I received from the bank. And if he were to refuse to identify himself, that could be considered obstruction. He states that that's secondary to the investigation,
Yep.
and it does not matter, and does not want to identify himself at this
Nope,
time.
that's fine.
And that's when he asked if he could talk to his supervisor.
Nope.
So I said,
Nope,
absolutely.
super simple. They just said you were filming some of the people going through the ATMs. They thought it was an invasion of privacy. You might be trying to get some people's PIN numbers or something. That was their main concern.
Yeah, I don't
know
even
what's
think
going on.
this. I don't even think this camera could.
Probably not.
Yeah,
Probably
no.
not. That was their main concern, was just privacy issues for people's bank accounts and stuff like that. I told them already that if you're on the sidewalk, you can film. There's no problem with that. I'm not going to force you to identify yourself or anything like that. They just don't want you on property.
Yep.
So if you
yep.
stay on the public sidewalk, you're good to go, man.
All right, yeah, sounds good. I was about to head out, but I'm just gonna stick around a little bit longer so it doesn't look like I got chased away, and then yeah, I'll be on my way. So
That's fine.
Do you have any other questions for us at all then?
other than, I mean, it was definitely a false police report if they said that I was in there with the camera. So I mean,
So
Didn't sound like you were in there. They said over by the ATMs, how they put it.
oh, all right.
So that would be over by the ATMs. I don't know if
Yeah.
you're on the property, but
Yeah.
Yep.
The only-
And like
I
I
don't
said, I had contacted you and talked to you. I hadn't gotten information from them yet.
Yep.
All
Got
right.
additional information.
Jacob handled the situation perfectly. He asserted his First Amendment right to record in public, stayed calm and mostly silent, provided only his name since there was no lawful detention, and asked to speak with a supervisor when he sensed overreach. His calm, informed, and evidence-based approach is the key to protecting your rights and preventing unnecessary escalation during any police encounter.
Why is it that you need to see our ID though?
Because I'm doing an investigation.
Of what? What do you?
Criminal trespass.
For where?
Here.
Well, how? How is that?
In this video from Alexit's YouTube channel, he was searching through a trash bin when police officers approached him. They claimed to have received a trespassing report and demanded his ID. Alexit refused, stating he was in a public area and that the same group who had previously attacked him were the ones who called the police.
From what I understand from the call that I got, you guys over here going through that other.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. And you know that.
No, I don't.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that you heard that. There's a camera right there that says differently. These guys harassed me. That young man assaulted me last time I was here and punched me in the face.
He's on his way down here now.
Who is?
Officer Scott.
For what reason?
Because this is a city call, not a County.
Yeah.
That was the last time
I just don't understand why you guys would get called.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't understand why you'd get called. We're just getting things out of dumpster.
Okay. All I want to do is identify you guys and let you be on your way.
But we haven't done anything wrong.
You're not going to stay back here because you want to avoid this.
Avoid, what do we want to avoid?
A confrontation between you and the guys over here.
I'm definitely trying to avoid that.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not being mean.
So they called it in, and that's why I'm here.
So they call in because they're harassing us. Yeah, I got assaulted by him, and I don't know what happened with that. Roy wouldn't take my statement on it, and just...
Okay.
So, but what the fact of the matter is, we're not doing anything wrong, and I want that to be like, we're not doing anything, we're not hurting anyone.
Well, even the dumpster, I can't ask them about it, though.
You can look it up on Google. It's Zula and somewhere else is Google the same one.
Okay.
We're not in Missoula.
No, I know we're not in, and in Thompson Falls, there's no law against going into a dumpster. We're in an easement right now because we're not trespassing. You know that. We haven't gone over there.
Whether or not you're in an easement for the power lines doesn't matter.
This is we have not been over there, and we don't go over there. There's so much in here that we would never go over. Like,
no, I'm sure.
What's up, Dustin? What's that? Yeah. See, people rely on this, man. Like, there's nothing wrong with it, and there's a lot of good stuff getting thrown away.
Right, I know Dustin, no.
So what's that mean?
I don't know you. I know he doesn't have any warrants.
He wants our, just give him your ID.
You don't have any warrants, do you?
No, you just want to check me for warrants? So why is that? Just because I'm standing here?
Yep.
Really?
Because I had contact with you.
That doesn't mean you can check my ID.
Actually, it is.
How could,
have you ever heard of Terry stop?
This isn't a Terry stop.
It is.
So am I being detained right now?
Not yet.
Okay, then it's not
You're
a Terry
not
stop.
free to go, so I guess you're
So that is being detained. Why is that? What crime have I committed, though?
Because I'm trying to figure it out.
Figure what out?
Do you have your ID or not?
What crime have I committed?
Do you have your ID
I do have an ID, yes.
Okay, let me see your ID. I'll run you, and then I'll get out of your hair. End of story.
That's not... Okay.
If you don't want to ID yourself, I'll put you in cuffs and we'll
For
take
what
you to
reason?
jail.
For what reason? Can you
Failure to ID.
And I can get taken to jail for failure ID in Montana?
Yep.
That's not true.
Yes, it is.
It's not true.
Yes, it is.
Kelly, come on. Let's be honest here.
You guys know if he has any warrants or not?
I'm going to show you.
I don't know either one of you.
I'm going to show you my ID right now, Sheila. Okay. Oh, it's in my pocket. Sorry. I'm not trying to cause problems. I'm just actually...
My paper, I have got my other
Okay,
one.
that's fine.
It was the last time anything ever happened, it was expired. Like 2 days, like a week or something.
Roy!
What do you mean? I haven't seen it. You be he's a bad guy.
Here you go, sir.
We'll be right back.
Thank you. That was under threat of duress or going to jail.
Yeah.
And this guy's allowed to look through the dumpster while we're getting... That's awesome, bro. Should we go see what they're talking about? What's up, Mr. Kelly? Officer.
All right, here's your
Thank
ID.
You
know you're suspended, right?
Yeah,
okay.
I do. Yeah.
Here's your driver's license.
Yep, she's my driver.
All right, just remember, stay out of there.
Yeah.
Dumpster dive, I'm going to clear out.
Awesome. Appreciate it, brother.
All right.
Stay safe out there, guys.
All right, have a good night.
You too.
If I follow along, do the investigation.
Awesome, thank you. You too, sir.
The officers threatened to arrest him for not showing ID, but Alexit stood firm, explaining he hadn't committed any crime. Only a few U.S. states have stop and identify laws, and even then, police can only ask for your name if there's reasonable suspicion of a crime. He also pointed out that he was standing in a safe, open area, not on private property. Under U.S. law, a trespassing charge requires clear signs, fencing, or verbal warnings. Without those, any accusation of trespassing is baseless. We created this video to inform and encourage people to handle similar situations lawfully and safely.
Last but certainly not least, we extend our heartfelt thanks to the behind-the-scenes team who spent months making these videos possible. Hundreds of hours went into research and production, and I'm deeply grateful to the dedicated team who worked tirelessly behind the scenes.
The address is Montclair, still good? Yes or no?
I don't answer questions.
But you need to.
YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch now.
I don't have to answer anything to you, madam. That's my democratic right. I don't have to answer anything to you.
You did an infraction, your license is broken, and you